Welcome to English Language Questions and Answers. Let's see today's topic.
The English word foot has more than one meaning. In the United States, one meaning is a unit of measurement equal to 12 inches, or 0.3 meters. We use feet to measure height, length, and short distances. Today's question is about when to use the plural or singular form.
Today's question.
I am often confused with the choice between foot and feet. How do I choose the right word in a particular situation?
That is a great question. For the unit of measurement, we often use the singular form even when we are talking about more than 1 foot. This can make things confusing for learners. Luckily, there are 3 easy rules that can help. Number 1, when used as an adjective, we use foot, which is the singular form. Let's hear some examples.
The children climbed a 15-foot tree.
Here, the adjective is 15 foot, and it describes the noun tree. Here's another.
I have a 10-foot ladder that you can borrow.
Here, the adjective 10 foot describes the noun ladder. Notice that both 15 foot and 10 foot come before the noun, and there is a hyphen between the words. A hyphen is needed when a unit of measurement acts as an adjective. Number 2, when used as a noun, we use the plural form, feet. Take a listen.
The tree is 15 feet high.
Here, the noun is 15 feet and the adjective is high.
The ladder is 10 feet tall.
Here, the noun is 10 feet and the adjective is tall. Notice that the noun form does not use a hyphen. These 2 rules also apply to many other units of measurement. Number 3. Lastly, we usually use the singular form when talking about a person's height. This is an exception to the plural noun rule in number 2. Here's an example.
I am 5'6".
This is a common way of saying, I am 5 feet 6 inches tall. However, when the person's height is an exact number of feet without inches, we use the plural form.
I am 5 feet.
He is 6 feet tall.
The addition of tall is not required in everyday conversation. For all other meanings of foot, we use foot for the singular form and feet for the plural.